Hey George,
Huh?
where are we today?
We are just south of Kylerhea.
Yay! And how fast is it going to be going?
Oh well, in an hour I'll max out at 7.9 knots.
Yeah, that's pretty quick. So we're down at Glenelg, and hopefully we're going to head out here and go zipping up through the Kyle. We've never done it before, and as George says, it's meant to max out at nearly 8 knots today, so I think that would surpass our, whatever it was, 10-12 kilometers an hour in Orkney a couple of years ago, so it should be good. Looking forward to it. Kylerhea, let's go. Alright, we're on the water. Easy access here, excellent. A bit more exposed here with the southerly wind, which is, it's okay though, it's something else to push us up. So there's a bit more of a sea state. A few white horses, but should be fine. Right, we're ready to go. Let's go and see what it's like. Right. We're at the south side of, south end of the channel of Kylerhea, and we're actually right on the transit for the Glenelg ferry, which isn't running unfortunately at the moment. The water's getting a bit more bumpy here, so I thought I'd maybe raft up to film a little bit. Look at this. So we've not paddled for a minute or two now, and we're doing 13 kilometers an hour nearly, which is quite fun. There's a seal over there having a bit of fun though. Whoa, oh! Oh, hello. Did that seagull have a go at that seal? Oh. Oh yeah, the birds are having a let go. Big seals, huh? Damn. Right on the nose. See 'em? Oh, nice. Right then, top of Kylerhea. Good blast up. I think we probably maxed out with paddling about 16-17 kilometers an hour, so probably ripping through about 10-12k. Probably a bit faster than that in the narrows, but we were just rafted up enjoying the view, watching the seals, so that was nice. So yeah, it wasn't particularly challenging, but it was good anyway. We've averaged 9 kilometers an hour, which is 50% more than normal. And we're at the top of the Kyle. You maybe see behind me Skye Bridges. Balmacara is one of those two. And Eilean Donan Castle off in the horizon. Haven't checked the map in a while, but I'm guessing it's probably at least 3 or 4 kilometers away. So paddle up to that, turn right, another 2k back down to the house. And that'll be today's paddle, ready for a beer. So yeah, let's go. Nice weather. No. Cracking. Come to Scotland in summer, they said. It's soggy, but it's good.